Hi there. I am Liz Hensley, and I'm the immediate past president for CML. I am also Ward 1 City Council person for the City of Alamosa. And what an unprecedented year this has been. It started off with the transition of our CML Executive Director from Sam Mamet to Kevin Baumer. Sam was and continues to be the epitome of good governance. I have been very honored and thoroughly enjoyed having the distinction of being the first CML president to work with Kevin. He has done such a great job taking the strong foundation that Sam built and continue to move us forward with his ideas and flair. I knew I also wanted to create new traditions. So my hope is that each year moving forward, the CML president will bring in their own initiative, which they then can plant and develop throughout the year. So I had to think what my initiative would be. And I realized that I am an advocate and passionate about CML and local governance. And this is because of Sam Mamet and his leadership. From the first time I met him about 5 years ago, after I was first elected on city council, I knew he was someone I could learn from. And boy, what a fantastic 5 years it has been. I wanted to make sure to honor my mentor. Hence how the Sam Mamet Good Governance Award came to fruition. I worked with our CML board to take the idea and create an annual award that will honor individuals who exemplify and seek to expand the application of principles of good governance. We encouraged CML members to submit names of the most deserving of the first Sam Mamet Award. Our committee sifted through many very deserving nominations, and we did choose a winner, which we were going to honor at our June annual conference. Well, as you know, with COVID-19, our conference was canceled, and we had to wait till now to have our virtual conference. And so I'm very pleased that we could still honor and acknowledge properly the recipient of the inaugural Sam Mamet Good Governance Award.
Greetings from the Gunnison country. Last year when this award was named in my honor, I was so deeply humbled. And now knowing who the first recipient is, I'm even more so. We live in such unsettled times, and if there was ever a need for civil discourse and respect for each other, it's now. And I've always felt that local officials such as yourselves exhibit that as well as anyone. Certainly, our first award winner is exemplary at that and is a true public servant not only of his own community, but of the state as well. So it gives me great pleasure to be part of this video presentation. I miss each of you so very, very much. I think of you a lot, and I wish you the best during this CML virtual conference.
Hello, I'm Colorado Springs City Attorney Winetta Massey, and it is my distinct pleasure to share why I nominated Mayor John Suthers for the very first Sam Mamet Good Governance Award. Many of you may be familiar with John Suthers' tremendous commitment to public service. He has served as El Paso County's District Attorney, the Colorado Department of Corrections Director, U.S. Attorney, and Colorado Attorney General. These roles, along with service on several committees and foundations, give an overview of his credentials and accomplishment. But looking closer at his achievements here in Colorado Springs, you begin to understand why Mayor Suthers is a textbook example of effective and successful leadership in government. In a fiscally conservative environment, Suthers backed 2 ballot measures to fund roads and infrastructure. Measure 2C, a temporary sales tax, passed in 2015 with an impressive 65-35 margin and will generate $500 million each year for unprecedented road improvements. Suthers created a citizen committee and open data systems to ensure transparency. The mayor's efforts extended to revitalizing a struggling City for Champions initiative. Forging unique public-private partnerships, every milestone required to leverage $120 million in state funding for all 4 projects has been met. As a result, and despite the current economic crisis, the Colorado Springs community will soon welcome a new downtown stadium, an indoor arena, a sports medicine facility, and a new visitor center just outside the Air Force Academy. John Suthers has the unique ability to create a vision for the future of the city, to articulate that vision to the citizens in a way that lights a creative fire and leads them to achieve that vision together. It was my pleasure to nominate Mayor Suthers, and it is now my honor to introduce him to accept this special recognition.
Thank you, Wynetta, and thank you to the Colorado Municipal League for this award. I've known Sam Mamet for many years. He knows what good government looks like and what not so good government looks like. To be the recipient of this inaugural Sam Mamet Good Governance Award is truly an honor. Even before serving as the CML Executive Director, Sam Mamet was a champion for local government for decades. He's worked with thousands of public servants and local leaders to help improve communities across our state. He is a strong believer in cultivating relationships and partnerships. I'm flattered to be recognized with an award that honors Sam's contribution to local government. I would like to thank the incredible team of employees at the City of Colorado Springs who work hard each day to make our community better and make me look good. Especially in the midst of this unprecedented time, it's evident that true leadership involves collaboration and choosing a path that best protects the physical and economic health of our citizens. At a time when federal and state governments are often rendered dysfunctional by divisive partisanship, it's local governments that are getting things done and positively impacting the lives of our constituents. Thanks for all that each of you do to make your communities a great place to live, work, and play. And again, it's an honor to receive this award, and I'm proud of the recognition it brings to Colorado Springs, Olympic City, USA. Thanks so much.